Hey beauties! Did you know lemons can work wonders for your skin? Let's dive into some quick and easy lemon remedies for glowing skin. Tip 1. Lemon toner. Mix 1 part fresh lemon juice with 2 parts water. Apply it with a cotton ball, leave for 10 minutes, and rinse for a refreshing skin tone boost. Tip 2. Lemon and honey mask. Combine lemon juice and honey, 1:1 ratio. Apply for 15 minutes. Honey moisturizes, lemon brightens. Tip 3. Lemon sugar scrub. Mix lemon juice, sugar, and a bit of water for a gentle exfoliating scrub. Bye-bye, dead skin cells. Remember, always do a patch test, dilute lemon juice, and wear sunscreen after using lemon on your skin. Safety first. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick beauty hacks.